3, 2, 1.
What instruments used in guidance systems to indicate directions in space must have an angular momentum that does not change in direction? The answer is C. Gyroscopes. Which vegetable is also known as artichoke in Italian? The answer is D. Fennel. I'm colorless, odorless, tasteless, and non-toxic, yet without me, there would be no life. What am I? The answer is A. Oxygen. What is the longest non-volcanic mountain range in the world? The answer is A. Andes. The desire to understand how and why things happen is shared by all branches of what? The answer is A. Science. Lobsters are what kind of food source? The answer is D. Arthropod. I'm a tool for cutting that is always hungry. What am I? The answer is A. Saw. I'm a vegetable that makes you sneeze. What am I? The answer is B. Zucchini. What is a molecule with two fatty acids and a modified phosphate group attached to a glycerol backbone? The answer is B. Phospholipid. In the lab, students are working with substances that could cause burns. Which of these safety precautions is most important to follow? The answer is C. Eye protection is worn. Which 1982 movie is this audio clip from? The answer is C. 48 Hours. I'm the sound you hear before the beat drops. What am I? The answer is A. Whisper. I'm not alive, yet I can tell a story. What am I? The answer is A. Book. Which Star Wars character stated, "The dark side I sense in you"? The answer is A. Yoda. What does power imply is happening to energy? The answer is D. Being transfer. Who is known as the father of modern management? The answer is C. Taylor F. The Tigris and Euphrates rivers are historically associated with which ancient civilization? The answer is D. Mesopotamia. I'm used for stirring and often have a long handle. What am I? The answer is A. Spoon. Antwone Fisher from 2002 was the first movie directed by Denzel Washington. Which of these Black Reel Awards did the movie win? The answer is C. All of these. Who is the creator of the Louvre Pyramid in Paris? The answer is B. I.M. Pei. Who plays Walter White in Breaking Bad? The answer is A. Bryan Cranston. Who was the father of Zeus? The answer is A. Cronus. Sage Moonblood is the firstborn child of what action movie star? The answer is B. Sylvester Stallone. I can be a minute, an hour, or a whole day. What am I?
The answer is D. Time.
What type of hat is shaped like a cone? The answer is A. Beret. Which political party in the US is associated with the donkey symbol? The answer is B. Democrats. The Nile River flows through which African country? The answer is B. Egypt. Which philosopher coined the term cogito ergo sum? The answer is A. René Descartes. Which of these is not a stage of Erik Erikson's psychosocial development model? The answer is D. Late adulthood. Which tool would be best to measure the length of a butterfly? The answer is C. Metric ruler. You can't see me, but you can hear me scream. What am I? The answer is C. Sound wave. What is the national fruit of Australia? The answer is B. Mango. Which iconic shoe brand originates from Italy? The answer is A. Prada. What is the name of the famous virtual reality game designed by Palmer Luckey? The answer is A. Oculus Rift. What kitchen gadget opens cans? The answer is A. Can opener. What is ethology, the study of? The answer is D. Animal behavior. I'm not orange but red and right. What am I? The answer is B. Strawberry. I help you organize, yet I'm not a desk or shelf. What am I? The answer is A. Pencil case. At the start of the RPG game Final Fantasy Roman 8, which characters are shown in the opening movie? The answer is D. Squall, Safer, Rinoa, Edia. What style is characterized by the extensive use of domes and arches? The answer is A. Baroque. Which country shares a border with more countries than any other? The answer is A. Russia. Which item of clothing keeps your head warm? The answer is A. Shoe. In The answer is D. 1:15 a.m. What is Lisa's teacher's name on the TV show The Simpsons? The answer is D. Miss Hoover. Which of these was invented by Whitcomb Judson? The answer is B. The zipper. Which two activities are carried out by all species of living things? The answer is C. Grow and reproduce. I can travel around the world without leaving my home. What am I? The answer is D. A world map. I'm not orange, but I come in slices. What am I? The answer is D. Watermelon. What was the first product to have a barcode? The answer is C. Wrigley's gum. In science, what process produces evidence that helps to answer questions and solve problems?